Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to find your user ID on KuCoin application. So first of all, launch open the KuCoin app on your device and make sure that you're signed in. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on your profile icon, usually at the top left corner of the screen. Once you do that, you'll open up this section where you'll see your username and then your user ID at the top. Your user ID is displayed right underneath your account's name or email. It is a long string of numbers, which is usually 9 digits long. Tap the little copy button to copy your user ID from the top, and then you can use it for support, referrals, or verification purpose. Your user ID is different from your email or username. It is a unique number used by KuCoin to identify your account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.